press this button here, it comes right out. That's the hole it goes in right there. So that's how you get it. That's how you get the key out so you can unlock your door when your battery's dead. So anyway, if you look on here, you're thinking like, well, where's the key go, right? Where's the key go? Here's the key, right? So this is the key that I pulled out of the phone. I'll show you guys how you do that. But you're like, what? Wait a minute, there's no like keyhole here. But I gotta show you. Right here, behind this, you see that where it you see that little key right there? If you look a little bit farther down, there's a keyhole. And that's where this goes in when it's locked. Yeah, go ahead, pull it open for a second. Oh yeah, there it is. All right, so she's got it open. So what you've got to do is you pull this out of the fob, right? And then you're gonna slip it in there like this. You gotta get it underneath the frickin' thing. And then once it's in there, you can turn it. And you can either lock it or unlock it, just like that. And that's it. Try again. Open it, pull it up. Let's see, maybe we'll go this way. Now try.
I feel like I didn't hear it. I didn't feel it click.
Let's try it again.
It's definitely good.
All right, go ahead. That's it. All right, we got it. All right, good job, Lauren. All right, so anyway, don't shut it. I want to make sure it's unlocked. All right, it's unlocked. All right, we got in. Anyway, that's how you do it, guys. That's how you do it.